Morning, everybody. So today we have MacBook A1534. It's a very tiny, small MacBook. So let's see what's inside of this MacBook. Yeah, it's funny because it have a very good battery backup. Excellent work. Only thing is, it have one C port. Nothing else. No USB drive. No more drive. So you had to be or just one headphone. Let's see. Change the camera. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just take it out. So you have to pull very gently, very softly, because and try to pull in the front, not the back. You know why? Because there are cable jacks inside. So if you can see there are cable jacks, you had to take it out and then you have to pull this. Just let me just open this jack first. Okay, here you go. Okay, so see, this is the jack which is very sensitive. You have to nicely pull it out, this jack, and then take it out. This one, it's very sensitive. It will be crack in few seconds. Now you have to take it out uh, the headphone jack, which is also locked here, and just pull nicely, and it will be comes up like this. And then you can be put in a flat so you can see what exactly it is. Here you go. See, now the motherboard is here. Everything is in this motherboard. It's the same like if I compare with the iPhone. This is iPhone 6. If you just compare the size of iPhone 6 versus the motherboard, so this is very small. You won't see. You can compare the size. Now, the motherboard is tinier than the iPhone 6. Yeah, but other hand, it have four batteries, big cells, and then there are just let me just go a little bit more easily so you can guys can see. Let me bring the light more. Okay, here you go. Yeah. See now they have a four big cell and two small tiny cells. So it the battery backup. I mean, in this laptop, the MacBook is longer than any other laptop they have. This is very good, very tiny because of the consumption of the board is very less. It's the same like a cell phone motherboard. Rest everything is okay. If you just flip the screen, see now one part, second part, and third part. So there's nothing in between that. This is only the keyboard. This is the mouse. There's a speaker here. This is a headphone jack, and this is a C port. Memory also there. Memory also there. The RAM already built in here. This is the two speakers as well. Yeah, that's it. It's very simple. I mean, if you just go through overall, it's very simple, tiny machine. So we'll just close this nicely. So there you go. There you go. So let me just change the camera here. Okay, so this tiny machine, they launched it on 2015. So the processor is normally for this is 1.1 gigahertz. They launched with that, and the basic the RAM is 8 gigabyte, and normally the storage by default they have 256 gigabyte. Bluetooth definitely included that, but the main thing is here in this machine they have only C port. That's one port you have to be attached. The docking station, or mm, if you're gonna use like adapter or something, so you can split and extend the USB ports, and you can add something else you want it to be. And it's a very good machine, tiny. Yeah, it's very handy for travel. I mean, if you really want to be travel a lot, and then you want some machine be with you, so this is the highly recommended machine. I think that's it. If you have any question about anything, so you can ask me. Yeah, my page link definitely here. Please do like and share it. If, of course, I mean, if maybe somebody needs this help, how to open it, what's inside, curiosity, know what's inside the machine. So if they want to know what's, so this is the video when I just open in front of you. So take care of yourself. Wonderful day. Bye now.